Guys, look at this beautiful hoodie. I'm going to sleep here tonight, by the way, but yeah. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this car has central door locking. That's very nice. So I don't have to open the door for my girlfriend every time. But yeah. There we go. Sorry guys, I think someone is sleeping there, but sorry. There goes my blinker fluid. Oh shit. Drive safe, guys. Oh, nice. Doesn't have air conditioning, but it has a sunroof. That's nice. A manual sunroof. Yeah, I prefer the manual. I think I like it. All right, enough talking. We're going to drive. location, guys. I live in the Netherlands. It's a really small country, but it's nice. Beautiful landscapes, beautiful farms, cows. Oh no, that are alpacas, not cows, but yeah, they have a lot of cows here. But anyway, I like it. Beautiful to drive here in the W123. The other W123 is from my dad, the yellow one, the taxi yellow color. Yeah, that's an automatic. This is a manual. Sorry, but yeah, it's also nice. A manual. I think I prefer the manual because yeah, I like to shift gears to do something while driving. But if I'm filming, it is not so practical because I can't shift and steer with one hand. But yeah, you know it. Let's continue driving. I don't know if you like that you hear me talking this much, so let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Otherwise I can do it yeah, more. Yeah, my English isn't the best, but I'm working on it. But let it know in the comments, and yeah, maybe I'm going to talk more in my videos. Let me know. And leave a like, of course. Thanks. This is a very small road, so a lot of cars have to stop here to yeah, to go through. But now there's a biker, but yeah, we're also stopping for the biker. There we go. I'm going to show you the city, Wagon. That's the name of the city. So have fun watching this beautiful little city. I think I can drive through the entire city in 1 minute, but yeah, there we go. Let's show the city, the little city. Sorry, I'm talking too much, I know. This is the city, by the way. It's nice. Yeah. There we are again. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and yeah, until the next video. Bye. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.